Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about searching techniques. In the technique we are going to discuss linear search. First of all, what is meant by searching? Searching algorithms are designed to check for an element or retrieve an element from any data structure where it is stored. Here we are going to retrieve means accessing an element or checking an element from any data structure. That means it is any type of data structure. Based on the type of such operation, these algorithms are generally classified into two categories. Here in searching algorithms, we are going to check an element or retrieve an element from any data structure from where it is stored. Based on the type of such operation, it is generally classified into two categories. First, sequential search. Sequential search means list or array is traversed sequentially and every element is checked. For example, if there are three elements in a list, we are going to search. How we can search sequentially means first we are going to search 1, then we are going to search 2, then we are going to search 3. Here we are going to search in a sequential order and one by one. That means one after we are going to check 2, after 2 we are going to check 3. So traversing means checking one by one in and sequentially. It is called sequential search. Example for this is linear search. Next, interval search. These algorithms are specifically designed for searching in sorted data structures. Here we are taking sorted data structures. That means sorted means either arrangement of ascending order or descending order. These type of search algorithms are much more efficient than linear. Interval search is more efficient than linear. Example for this is binary search. Now let's go for linear search. What is linear search? It is a very basic and simple searching algorithm with time complexity of order of n. It has time complexity order of n and it is very basic and simple searching algorithm. Next, in linear search, we search an element in given array by traversing the array from selecting till the desired element found. Here we are going to search each and every element in a sequential order but until the desired element is found. Let's see the algorithm. First algorithm we need to start. Then setting, this is user defined. Here we can take our user requirement. Based on our user requirement, first of all initially set I value to 0. I means here variable. Here we are setting I variable to 0. Input searching item. That means any of these items, any one of these items. Here that means if you want to search 30, then input will be 30 searching item. If you want to search 50, then input searching item will be 50. While I less than 5, that means if the input item is less than 5, then if a of I equal to item, that means a of I means the input search item and the item we are going to search. We are comparing both. Here we are comparing the searching item and the input item. If the both are equal, item found or location equal to I. If not, we are going to search until element is found. After that incrementing, and if I greater than or equal to 4, that means if element can't found. If the element is not present in this array or list, then print item not found. Let's see an example for this. Begin a of I equal to 5. Let input will be taken as 1 minute. I need to increase my font size. Let input search item is taken as let input item is taken as 30. That means I need to search 30 from this list or array. Initially I is equal to 0. Initially I is equal to 0. Next, in while I less than 5, that means 0 less than 5, which is true. 0 less than 5 is true. Then go for into the while loop. Into while loop we have comparison. That means a of I equal to item. Here we are going to compare a of I. A of I means a of I means a of 0. A of 0 equal to item equal to 30. A of 0, how much A of 0? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means A of 0 equal to 10. 10 not equal to 30. So element not found. So element not found. Because if condition is false, then go to increment. That means I is incremented by 1. Now I equal to 1. Next I equal to 1. Again loop I less than 5. That means 1 less than 5. True, which is also true. Next we need to check if condition. A of 1. A of 1 is equal to 30. A of 1, how much A of 1? 0, 1. That means 20. 20 equal to A of 1. 20 also not equal to 30. So again what we need to do? Here print a not element found. So we need to increment again 1. I value incremented to 1, then I equal to 2. Again we need to check the while loop condition. That is 2 less than 5. Next 2 less than 5 means A of 2. A of 2 equal to 30. What is A of 2? 0, 1, 2. A of 2 equal to 30. 30 equal to 30. That means element is found and location equal to found and location equal to I value how much? 2. That means in second location we found an element. This is the way we need to search an element using linear search. Thank you.